Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Xiaomi 14. And let's start with translation. You can translate anything from one language to another using Google Assistant, and he also speaks out loudly those translations. Let's try it out. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. I didn't have any volume on the phone, but let's try it again. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
Very nice. Let's move on to the calories, so you can count calories in your food with Google Assistant. And let's try it out. Hey Google, count calories in the burger.
according to Livestrong, a typical burger contains about 4 ounces of ground beef, which, according to the USDA, is 375 calories. For those who like bigger burgers, add on
Okay, let's move on to the call. So you can call anyone from your contacts list by asking Google, hey Google, call my mom.
Okay, what's your mother's name?
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. Next one will be on how to send messages, and you can say what should be included in that message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Alright, what's your mother's name?
Okay, and the last one will be on how to find your phone. If you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is, you can ask a Google Assistant with the phrase, where are you? Or ask to play any song or music. That way your phone should start making sound and it will be easy to find. Let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you?
Bet you can't find me.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.